Tell you what, I'm excited to play this song for y'all. We hadn't done this live too much yet, and I just love this song, and I think it's a universal language of country music, country folks, enjoying the outdoors, the rural life, hard-working people, you know what I'm saying? This song's called Trucks, Ducks, Bucks, and Beer, baby. Let's turn it up. Just waiting on when some boys in the blind out in South Louisiana. Just waiting on them. There's a 26-footer off the Carolina coast with a big one on the line. There's a tailgate drop with a cold shiner by. I know 'cause that one's mine. Talking about trucks, ducks, bucks, and beer. Fishing when it ain't that time of year. Yeah, we keep it rising real around here. John Boats and John Deere's. We like our songs with a steel and a banjo. Spend our checks on camo and ammo. Redneck 35s, long neck Friday nights. Love living life in the country where there's trucks, ducks, bucks, and beer. Y'all feeling good? Trucks, ducks, bucks, and beer. As long as they're selling corn at the feed store, yeah, we'll be filling up feeders. The season comes around, that's about when these churches start missing believers. Can't drive by a field without slowing down. Yeah, you never know what might be running round. Can't drive by a pond, not wonder what's in it. Every day, every hour, every minute, it's trucks, ducks, bucks, and beers. Fishing when it ain't that time of year. Yeah, we keep it rising real around here. It's all John Boats and John Deere's. We like our songs with a steel and a banjo. Spend our checks on camo and ammo. Redneck 35s, long neck Friday nights. Love living life in the country where there's trucks, ducks, bucks, and beers. You know what I'm talking about. Trucks, ducks, bucks, and beer. Fishing when it ain't that time of year. Yeah, we keep it rising real round here. It's all John Boats and John Deere's. We like our songs with a steel and a banjo. Spend our checks on camo and ammo. Redneck 35s, long neck Friday nights. Love living life in the country where there's trucks, ducks, bucks, and beer. Glasgow, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much.